It's unboxing time. Let's see what's in the packet today. This is a Guinea PC. It's a very powerful AMD processor, 32 GB memory, and most important, and this is a gaming computer. 8K display. Where's the power cable? Here's the power cable. Where's the HDMI? Here's the HDMI. Let me plug it in. Internet, HDMI, the mouse. Let's turn on the keyboard. Come, let's go. Let's turn it on. Yay, my new computer is ready. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon.